Today we're going to talk about understanding place value. For instance, this number, 2,578,139 and 432 thousandths. It's important whenever you're looking at a number with a decimal place to know the place value, the place in which the number is held. 2 million, then you have hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After the decimal, you switch to fractions. Tenths, or 4/10, hundreds, 3/100, 300ths, and thousandths, or 2/1000. So for instance, the fraction is a fractional piece. In this case, this number is 432 thousandths is how you would read this fraction. Remember, our place value will help us to determine the value of the digit. So for instance, 2 million would be a value of 2 million. Hundred thousandths, 10,000s, thousandths, you have 500,000, 70,000, 8,000. Then you have hundreds, tens, ones, 139. After the decimal, we switch to fractions. 4/10 would be the place of this one. 300ths would be the place of this digit. And 2,000ths would be the place of this digit. But like I reminded you before, this number is a representation of 432 thousandths. It's important when understanding place value that you understand that digits to the left are 10 times greater than the digit to the right. So for instance, 5 times 10 is 50. 50 times 10 is 500, and so on. Up top, digits to the right, digits to the right are 10 times less than the digit to the left. So when we start from the left and go to the right, you have the inverse operation. 50 divided by 10 is 5, and this works for each digit. Let's discuss how to read and write these numbers. When you have a number with a decimal, you need to look at the decimal place to see which place value it goes to. 2,578,139 and 4/10, and should only be written or read whenever there is a decimal place. 2,578,139 and 43 hundredths. This is how you would read and write this number. 2,578,139 and 432 thousandths. Each time you look at the place value in which your digits go to look for the placeholder in order to read the number. When we're in 5th grade, expanded form focuses now on the value of the units. So we switch it to a different form. Expanded form for this number can be helpful when writing the word form. 29 and 537 thousandths. When you write the expanded form, you have 2 times 10 plus 9 times 1 plus, after the decimal place, you switch to fractions. 5 times 1/10 plus 3 times 1 100th plus 7 times 1 1,000. Let's look at a different example. And if you've noticed, I've color-coded the word form and the expanded form to match our number. 9,429 and 53 hundredths. Written in expanded form, you have your whole number first, 9 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 9 times 1. If you were to solve this, 9 times 1,000 equals 9,000, the value of the 9. 4 times 100 equals 400, the value of the 4. After the decimal place, you would switch to fractions. 5 times 1/10 plus 3 times 1/100. So let's review. We've discussed place value, the place in which the digit is held. The place value will help you find the value of the digit, which is the value of the number. After the decimal, we switch over to fractional pieces. In word form and how you say it, 2,578,139 and 432 thousandths. And expanded form, 2 times 1,000,000 plus 5 times 100,000 plus 7 times 10,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 1 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 9 times 1 plus 4 times 1/10 plus 3 times 1/100 plus 2 times 1/1000. Thank you.